Hello students, this is new chapter of D-4 book, chapter number 1, linear inequalities in two variables. So what is inequality? Whenever I compare two figures with this sign or this sign to different numbers or to algebraic expressions, then this whole becomes an inequality like this. 7 is greater than 6 or 4 is less than 8. So these are inequalities. And if we have inequality of one variable, then this can be written as 3x greater than 8. You can see that x is the only variable in this inequality. Similarly, 4y less than 7. And in this inequality you can see only one variable, which that is y. So if in an inequality that has two variables, just like this, 3x plus 4y greater than 9 or 7y greater than 3x, then these kind of inequalities in which two variables exist are called inequalities in two variables, linear inequalities, because if we plot these inequalities we get a straight line. So that is why these inequalities are also called linear inequalities in two variables. So we will plot these inequalities in the questions of exercise 1a. So I'm going to do exercise 1a first. Exercise 1a of D4 book. So the question number 1 statement is, show unshaded the region satisfied by the following inequalities. So how to shade the region? I will teach you in this question. So in part A we have two inequalities, x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 2x. So first of all we have to make a Cartesian plane or x-axis y-axis plane, xy plane. So I'm doing here. So this is y-axis and this one is x-axis. I'm writing here. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. And this is origin. Also labeling this with divisions 2, 4, 6. Similarly, this will become plus 2, plus 4 and plus 6. And the negative quadrant where the x is negative, minus 4 and minus 6, minus 2 and minus 4 and minus 6. Alright, we have labeled this Cartesian plane. Now we have to plot these inequalities on this plane. So the first inequality of part A is x is greater than or equal to 0, and the second one is y is greater than or equal to 2x. So what about the first one? X is greater than or equal to 0. So where is x is greater than 0? You can see in the first and fourth quadrant x is always greater than or equal to 0, in this quadrant and in this quadrant. So you can also understand this x is greater than or equal to 0 by a line equation. like x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is always on the y-axis. So I'm making the line with some different color. So on y-axis x is equal to 0. I'm plotting this line. So this line is x is equal to 0. But but the inequality is x is greater than or equal to 0. It means I have to shade for x greater than or equal to 0. I have to shade the first quadrant, this one, and the fourth one, because in these two quadrants x is greater than 0 or x is positive, where in this second quadrant and this third quadrant x is negative. So I'm shading it first. This orange color. So this region is actually the region where x is greater than equal to 0. Equal to 0 on the line and greater than 0 is at the right side of this line. So this is the region, you can see. Alright, so how to plot the next inequality? This inequality is shaded by the orange color. Now y is greater than or equal to 2x. So y, I'm writing it as an equation. Y equal to 2x. So we know that this is a line equation. How to plot it? We have to make a table first, writing x and then y. Okay, taking some different values of x, like x equal to 0. So this y will become 2 into 0, 0. For x equal to 2, this y becomes 2 to the 4. And for x equal to negative 2, this y becomes negative 4. So we have 3 points of this line. So I'm plotting these points. The first point is 0, 0, this one. Second point is 2, 4, 2 and 4, this one. Third point is negative 2 and negative 4. So this one. So if we join these points, we have a straight line. So basically this is the line. I'm writing here, this line is y equal to 2x, or if I have to shade the inequality, this will be y is greater than or equal to 2x. So as you can see in the inequality, y is greater than or equal to 2x. So it means the region will be above, greater mean above this, greater than y, so it means above this line. So I'm going to show the region with the pink color. So above mean here, above this line, or below this line means here. So we have to plot, we have to shade the above region. this one. So you can see that these two shaded regions overlapping here at this region, this one. So the overlapping region is your answer where these two inequalities satisfied. These inequalities satisfy at this region, this one, this one. So I'm shading that region with a different color, with greenish. So this one. This is the region where these two inequalities intersect or overlap each other. So this is your answer. So if I remove this, the answer will become this one. So this is your answer. This is the region where these two inequalities satisfies. All right. We try another question, part D. So the first inequality is x is greater than 0, or if we see that the equation of the line will become x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 exists on y-axis. So I'm drawing the line on y-axis, and this line should be drawn with the dotted. This should be dotted line. So I'm using a different color, red, for the dotted line. Another inequality is and right here. This is x is greater than 0. Next one is y is greater than 2. Next is y is greater than 2. So line equation will become y equal to 2. So y equal to 2 line will be actually parallel to the x-axis, and it passes through 2 on y-axis. So again it doesn't have equal sign, just greater than. So it means we have to draw with red color or dotted line. This is y greater than 2. Third inequality is y is less than 6 minus x, less than equal to 6 minus x. So line equation will become y equal to 6 minus x. So if I draw a table, x, y, to plot the points. So if I choose 0, x equal to 0, the y will become 6, and if I choose x equal to 6, the y will become 0. So we have two points, 0, 6. The first point is 0, 6. So where is 0, 6? This point, and 6, 0 will be this point. Okay, joining these 2 points, you have a straight line with the black color. Extending this line. This is y is less than equal to 6 minus x. This line should be solid line as it has equal sign. It means the points on the lines also included in the region. Okay, now defining the regions. First of all, with this color of x greater than 0, so you know that this region is here, first and fourth quadrant, where x is greater than 0, towards right side of the line. This region is x is greater than 0. Alright, next one. Y is greater than 2. Y is greater than 2 means the region should be above this line, y equal to 2, because it is greater. So the points above this line has y greater than 2. So I'm shading this region. You can see all the points on this region has the value y greater than 2. Alright, next one. Y equal to 6 minus x is the line, or y is less than equal to 6 minus x. So it means the region should be below this line. So the region will be this. Below the black or solid line. So where these inequalities regions intersect each other or overlap each other, you can see in this triangle. I'm shading it with this gray color, this region where all the inequalities intersect. Let me show you. I'm deleting the previous regions. So you can see that's this region. Inside this region, all the points satisfy these three inequalities. Let me show you. If I choose this point, suppose this point inside this region, this point is actually 1, 3, 1, 3. Alright. Now putting this point in inequality, this is x and this is y, obviously x coordinate and y coordinate. So in this equality you can see that x is 3, 1 is greater than 0, and you know that this is true. 1 is always greater than 0. This is true. So first inequality satisfied. Second one, it says y is greater than 2. So y is 3 greater than 2. Again, this inequality is true. So it means this point satisfies this inequality. Third one. Now put the value y. Y is actually 3. In this point you can see that. Less than equal to 6 minus x. X is what? 1. So 3 less than equal to 6 minus 1 is 5. So you can see that 3 is less than equal to 5, which is also true statement. 3 is always less than 5. So this point 1, 3 is actually inside the region where 3 inequalities overlap each other or intersect each other. It means this point, this single point 1, 3 will satisfy all of these inequalities. Similarly, other points can be 2, 3 or 1, 4, or any point inside this region will satisfy all of 3 inequalities. Anyway, this is the shaded region, which is your answer in part D. Now part F. In part A we have again 3 inequalities. Y is less than x plus 3, y is less than equal to 5, and y is greater than equal to minus 1. So again drawing the Cartesian plane. This is x, y, alright, 2, 4, 6, similarly here 2, 4, 6, and this point is origin. So first inequality is y is less than x plus 3. So forming equation y equal to x plus 3. So this equation of line can be used to plot this line. So x, y, choosing some points like x equal to 0, it gives you y is equal to 3, and if I choose x equal to negative 3, we get 0, x equal to 5, we get 8. So we have 3 points. So first point is 0, 3, here is 0, 3, second point minus 3, 0, minus 3, 0, this one, third point is 5, 8, 5, and this one is 8. Joining these 2 points, 3 points, we have a straight line. Right, this line is y is less than x plus 3. This line should be a dotted line in real, because it doesn't have equal sign. In this inequality we don't have an equal sign. So next inequality is x is less than equal to 5, or equation will become x equal to 5. So x equal to 5 line will be parallel to the y-axis, and it passes through 5 on x-axis. So I'm using different color with it because it should be a solid line as it has equal sign. So this is x equal to 5. x equal to 5, sorry, x is greater than 5, x is less than equal to 5. Third line is y is greater than equal to -1. So it should be here parallel to the x-axis and passes through -1. Again I have used a black color or solid line as it has equal sign. So this is y greater than equal to -1. Now shading the region for each inequality. So for this I have used this color. Y is less than, it means where is the line? This red line, and it should be below the line because it has less than inequality. So the shaded region will be below this line. So we have this region. Next one, x is less than equal to 5. I'm using this color, pink color. So this is the line, x is less than equal to 5. Less than equal to 5 means the region should be at the left side of this line. As at the left side you can see the values are less than 5 for x. Alright, third one, this is with the pink color. Third one, y is greater than, this is y is greater than equal to -1. So for it you can see that for this line x equal to 0, the region is at the right side, means x should be greater than 0 here. So the first inequality will become x is greater than equal to 0, as this region is at the right side of this line. Similarly for y equal to 3, this is y equal to 3, the region is below it, so it must be y less than equal to 3. Clear for this? For third one, y is equal to 0, the region is above this, so it means y should be greater than equal to 0. And what about this? This is x plus y equal to 4. Or it can also be written as y equal to minus x plus 4. As you can see that the region is below this line, so it must be written as y less than equal to negative x plus 4. Or you can also write that x, if I shift x towards left hand side, it will become x plus y. So basically we have to take y as a reference for deciding it is below y or greater than y or above y. So these are the inequalities. And third one is this, the fourth one is this. Okay, next part. So how many inequalities we have? 1, 2 and 3. 3 lines. first one, second one, and third one in the unshaded region. So what about this? This is y is equal to, and you can see that the region is below this line, so this will be y less than, and it is a solid line. You can see the solid line means y is less than equal to 2x plus 2. So this is the first inequality. Second one, this one, you can see that the region is below below this line, so it must be, this is the inequality. This must be 2x plus y. We have to take y as a reference, so less than, as it is solid line we have to write equal as well, less than equal to 4. So this is the second inequality. And what about this? 2y is equal to x. So this the region is above this line, so this will become 2y less than, sorry, greater than 4. As this is a dotted line, so it means it doesn't have an equal sign. So the inequality will be 2y greater than 4, not 2y greater than equal to 4. It is 2y greater than 4 because it doesn't have a solid line. Dotted line means equal shouldn't be written. Alright, I'm giving you some home assignment. The same exercise, question number 1 and 2, all the parts. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.